Have you ever wondered how a plant, standing still and silent, can provide the oxygen we breathe and the food we eat? The answer is photosynthesis, a process as fascinating as it is essential. So, buckle up and prepare for a deep dive into the world of plants and their incredible ability to transform sunlight into life. Let's begin with a little green pigment called chlorophyll, the star of the show. Nestled within the chloroplasts of plant cells, chlorophyll has the incredible job of absorbing light energy from the sun. But it's not alone. Other pigments like carotenoids join the party, each absorbing different wavelengths of light. Next enters water, absorbed by the plant's roots from the soil. This water is transported to the chloroplasts where it meets the light energy. Here, something extraordinary happens. The light energy splits the water molecules into oxygen, protons, and electrons in a process known as photolysis. Now we have a surplus of electrons. These little particles don't go to waste. Instead, they're used to generate a molecule known as adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, through a process called the electron transport chain. Meanwhile, another molecule, NADP+, picks up the protons produced during photolysis and becomes NADPH. With ATP and NADPH at hand, the plant is ready for the next stage, the Calvin cycle. Here, these molecules are used to convert carbon dioxide into glucose. This stage involves a series of enzymatic reactions that result in the production of glucose and the regeneration of the molecules needed for the Calvin cycle to continue. Finally, the oxygen produced during photolysis is released into the atmosphere. This is the oxygen that we and all aerobic life forms breathe. To sum up, photosynthesis is a miraculous process that transforms light energy into chemical energy, creating food for the plant and oxygen for the rest of us. It's a process that powers life on Earth, providing the primary source of energy for most ecosystems. Without photosynthesis, our planet would be a very different and much less hospitable place. So, next time you see a plant, take a moment to appreciate the silent, life-giving work it's doing every day.